Is your Chrome acting like a rebellious teenager refusing to share its secrets between your devices? Let's troubleshoot why Chrome might be ghosting you on the sync front, making sure your bookmarks, history, passwords, and settings are all in harmony, starting with the most common culprit, your Google account connection. First, confirm you're actually signed in with the correct Google account on all your devices. Look for your profile picture in the top right corner, click, and make sure the email address matches everywhere. Next, delve into Chrome's settings. Click the three dots menu, head to settings, then sync and Google services, and see if sync is paused, accidentally disabled, or simply requiring an updated passcode. Corrupted cache or cookies can also throw things out of whack. From the Chrome settings menu, go to privacy and security, then click clear browsing data, select all time. Check cookies and other site data and cached images and files and hit clear data. This fresh start often resolves conflicts. Time to turn detective. For rogue extensions, type Chrome://extensions into your address bar. Disable them one by one and check if syncing restores after each disablement, giving each trial a few minutes to sync. If all else fails, consider a Chrome reset. Still within settings, find reset and cleanup, and then select restore settings to their original defaults. Keep in mind, this will undo some customizations but can conquer stubborn syncing issues, returning Chrome to its default state. Hopefully, one of these steps got your Chrome Symphony back in tune, ensuring all your digital ducks are in a row. If this helped, give us a like and subscribe for more quick tips.